Alright, so I got a Chevy Cobalt. I have a Chevy Cobalt in front of me. It's a 2009 Chevy Cobalt. Right. Pretty little tender, pretty young thing that's driving this car. Got a pretty good job. Alright. Now, I got a package deal going on right now. We can get a push start, a remote start, a basic alarm, all that other crazy stuff. Alright. And it got real big real quick. Alright. It's fire right now. It's like crack cocaine hidden in a over the border taco. Alright. So, we got the trunk. Action. Alright. I got that. Okay. Alright. So we got the door there locked. Alright, you see that? That unlocked. Okay, that's action. Alright, now here it is. Push to start. Alright. So now GM, for some reason, the brake lights don't come on until it's an accessory. So on GM cars, you have to press it twice. So your radio come on, hit it again, car start right up. I don't like GM for that, but that's just how they go. I can't rewire the brake wire to see a constant like all the other cars, Toyota, Nissan, Ford, all of them. Alright, so everything works. Let me get on that. Okay. First y'all see the radio working. Okay, put my foot back on the brake. Put on the brake. Hit the button. And it's off. Chevy Cobalt. Whatever year they made it to, whatever year they stopped making them, push the start. Works properly. Everything's good, so there you go. Chevy Cobalt, push the start, basic alarm. All the pressure you in LTD. We out.